Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Intuita. It was brought in because it wasn't powering on, and also it was shutting down during the descale cycle before it stopped turning on. So what we discovered is that the pump was faulty and it wasn't allowing water to pump out, and so the machine just wasn't performing any of its functions, and turning on the pump is one of the first things the machine does. So if it can't do that, then it doesn't do anything else. So we replaced the pump, and here we go. The machine is on and functioning once again. Let's test its features. We'll start with hot water. Just have to give it a second to heat. There it goes. There we go, nice hot water. Okay. Now we'll switch to steam. Do. There it is. Surprisingly powerful steam. For a super automatic. Okay. Now we'll pull a shot. Go. Looking good. Alright, and there we go, turning on and working once again. Thanks for tuning in with us at Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.